Filing a small claims case in court is a straightforward process designed for individuals to resolve disputes without the need for an attorney. Below is a full analysis of how to file a small claims case, step by step. First, understand small claims court. The purpose of small claims court is meant for resolving minor disputes involving monetary claims. Ensure the dispute qualifies for small claims court based on the monetary limit and the type of case, such as unpaid debts, property damage, or landlord-tenant disputes. The maximum monetary limit varies by location, ranging from $2,500 to $25,000 depending on the state or country, so check with your local court. Additionally, you cannot file for non-monetary issues like divorce or custody, and some states limit the number of small claims cases you can file annually. Next, identify the correct court. File the case in the proper court based on where the defendant lives or does business and where the dispute occurred. Each court may have specific procedures, so confirm the requirements on their website or by contacting the clerk. Then, gather evidence and prepare your case. Collect all relevant paperwork, such as contracts, receipts, photos, emails, or text messages. Identify any witnesses who can support your claim and clearly calculate the amount of money you are claiming, including any damages or costs. After that, file the claim. Obtain and fill out the necessary forms, usually titled Statement of Claim or Complaint. Include details like the names and addresses of the parties, a description of the dispute, and the amount claimed. Small claims courts charge a filing fee, typically between $30 and $200, depending on the jurisdiction and claim amount. Fee waivers may be available if you qualify financially. Submit the forms in person, online, or by mail, depending on your court's procedure. Next, serve the defendant. The purpose of this step is to legally notify the defendant of the lawsuit. Service can usually be done through certified mail, a process server, or the sheriff's office. Service must be completed within a specific time before the court date, so check local rules. File proof with the court showing that the defendant was served properly. Then, prepare for court. Organize all your documents and exhibits logically. Prepare a concise explanation of your case, including why the defendant owes you money. Familiarize yourself with the court's procedures, dress code, and etiquette. On the day of the hearing, show up on time. Arrive early to avoid delays and clearly and respectfully present your evidence and arguments. Bring witnesses if they are crucial to your case, and always provide truthful information to the judge. After the hearing, you will receive the judgment. The judge will either decide the case immediately or issue a written decision later. If you win, the court may order the defendant to pay you the claimed amount plus any court costs. In some jurisdictions, appeals are allowed but only for certain issues and within strict deadlines. Finally, enforce the judgment. The defendant may pay voluntarily after the judgment. If the defendant does not pay, you may need to take additional steps such as garnishing wages, placing a lien on property, or hiring a collection agency. For success, be professional and treat all parties, including the defendant, respectfully. Stay organized by keeping copies of all documents and court communications. Research by reading your local small claims court guide for specific rules and procedures. If you are unsure about any step, contact your local court clerk for assistance.